Hello everyone! Today you can watch a video of me drawing different pictures. We will repeat the colors that I will use here. Will you say the colors that I use with me? Yes? Let's do it! This is orange. This is green. I'm drawing with orange. Orange. I'm drawing with orange. Orange. Green. I'm drawing with green. I'm drawing with green. 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 Green. I'm drawing with orange. Orange. I'm drawing with orange. Orange. I'm drawing with green. Green. 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 This is orange. This is green. This is pink. This is dark pink. This is light pink. I'm drawing with pink. I'm drawing with pink. 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 I'm drawing with dark pink. Dark pink. I'm drawing with dark pink. Dark pink. Dark pink. Light pink. Light pink. Light pink. This is pink. This is dark pink. This is light pink. Did you like the drawing? Will you draw with us next time? Yes? Great! We are looking forward to seeing you